Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and also welcome if you are a new viewer. I am Divyangana Gupta and so I will be here to guide you for your studies, okay? And if you don't know, I cleared my class 10th from CBSE board and scored 97%, and I cleared my 12th again from CBSE board and scored 96%. Also, I am currently pursuing MBBS at Government Medical College. So let's start. Yesterday I had got a message from one of my juniors asking me about how to go for making notes specifically of the theoretical subjects. She was facing problem with the note making because she was saying कि जब भी वो theoretical subjects लिखने बैठती हैं तो she faces a problem कि वो complete नहीं कर पाती है उन notes को because at the end of it वो हर चीज़ उसमें से लिखने लगती है and that is very tiring and time consuming. तो इसलिए I would like to make a suggestion regarding the theoretical subjects. It could be class 10 subjects like history, geography and everything, and it could also be class 11, 12 subjects like biology and of course political science and everything. So first of all, to make notes of that particular topic, you cannot go without having prior knowledge of that topic. So from the book itself, you have to read that topic at least 2 to 3 times to get hold of the crux of that topic. And also you have to understand it, like if you have understood it from a teacher or some source. So yeah, and then when you have got the crux of it, try to write it down in points. Don't write it down in paragraph first thing. And even to make those points smaller, try to fit it in like a flow chart or a diagram, or say something like a picture, a funny kind of a picture, or a mnemonic or a trick, because that is what you will remember at the end of it in the examination. And it will also help you to retain that, if you are going and being creative into that particular thing, so it will help you a lot that way. So and while making those flow charts and everything, you have to identify that what are those weak points on which you have to work. Like say for a particular subtopic, you are going for studying a few things, so identify what are your weak points in it and specifically mention them and be elaborate with them so that you don't forget them. And for the points which you are thorough with in that topic, do not leave them out, because sometimes ऐसा होता है जो चीज़ हमारी strong होती है हम उसे छोड़ देते हैं and then later on we realize कि जो हमारी strong चीज़ थी वो weak हो चुकी है, तो उस चीज़ को भी leave मत करो, but include that into several short kind of a points in a shortcut. So yeah, and you are good to go with the notes of that subject, easy to memorize, and try to make them concise rather than copying the whole text. And you can also write them down in some form which only you would understand and which is easy to remember for you. And also, like if you're studying say English में कोई सब्जेक्ट लिखा हुआ है, say if you're trying to study history or you're trying to study biology and you are understanding it in Hindi, so even while making notes you can just use 1 or 2 sentences of Hindi or your mother tongue so that you can relate to it more and it is easy for you to recall when you are doing it. I'm not saying it for the official fair notebook वाला thing, वो तो तुम्हें वैसे ही करना पड़ेगा जैसे teachers बोल रही हैं, but for your own note making which you will do for your own understanding. So that is what I am telling it for. And I have attached a few samples of, like जैसे मैंने ये बनाया हुआ है ना हमारी बुक में, इसके बारे में like 12th की बुक में इसके बारे में पूरा पैराग्राफ दिया हुआ था, पैराग्राफ नहीं, मतलब पूरा पेज था ऑलमोस्ट, उसमें ना हर एक चीज़ के नीचे नीचे ना काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें लिखी हुई थी, बट देन आई एक्सट्रैक्टेड जो कि मुझे लर्न करना था, ठीक है, जो कि हमारे ऑफिशियल नेम्स थे, एंड उसको मैंने ना ऐसे फ्लो चार्ट की फॉर्म में लिख दिया। सो ये मेरे पूरे 2 से 3 पेज इसमें से एकदम कंसाइज हो गए। एंड एक भी पॉइंट इसमें जो मेरा जो क्वेश्चन वाला पॉइंट है जहाँ से क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है, वहाँ से आई हैव नॉट मिस दैट। जैसे ये वाला जो पार्ट है थोड़ा बोरिंग था बुक में और बहुत लंबा दिया हुआ था 2-3 पेजेस में, और इसमें खाली ये मेन पॉइंट्स थे, तो मैंने वो हेडिंग दी इसको, और ऐसे सब पॉइंट्स बना के हर चीज़ जस्ट फ्लो चार्ट और उसके ऊपर से एक डायग्राम टाइप का फ्लो चार्ट बना के मैंने उसको कवर अप कर दिया। सो इन द अबव सैम्पल्स आई हैव actually stuck the sheets into my bio textbook, and you should make sure that you stick them with the help of a glue, or either use a stapler to keep them together, because if they, then you will end up losing them. So try to do that, and also try to stick it with the corresponding chapter and the corresponding topic, so that you have everything at one place when you're revising or studying. Bye, take care, and I love you all, and I would make a small request कि यार सब्सक्राइब कर दो सब्सक्राइब कर दो, लाइक कर दो, and of course share it if you find it helpful. Bye.